Community Helpers Quiz. Hey kids, let's play a game and guess community helpers being described in each question. So, are you ready, kids? Let's start. Our first question is I work at the fire department. I am a community helper who protects people from fire and keep you safe. Who am I? Guess. Yay! I am a firefighter. Firefighter. So, our next question. My role in the community is to ensure safety while solving crimes. I wear my uniform and a special badge. Who am I? Guess. Yay! I am a policeman. Policeman. My next question is I am responsible for taking care of sick, often under the supervision of a doctor. Who am I? Guess. Who am I? Yay! I am a nurse. Nurse. So friends, my next question is I am a community helper that help you feel better. I take care of sick patients. Who am I? Guess. Who am I? Yay! I am a doctor. Doctor. My next question is I work in the kitchens of restaurants and hotels. I create the menus, prepare the food, and manage the operation of the kitchen. Guess who am I? Guess. Yay! I am a chef. Chef. So kids, my next question is I am a community helper who grows plants and raises animals. I work in a farm. Who am I? Yay, guess. Yes, I am a farmer. Farmer. My next question is I am someone who works in a construction site. I help build bridges or houses. Who am I? Guess. Yay! I am a construction worker. Great job. Thank you.